my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. However, all of them except one is limited edition. Once they're gone forever, ever, ever. So if you're watching this video and you go, oh, I want that, and you go to the website and it's gone, that means it's gone. Okay, just a heads up. Now, the first item that is not limited is our long paper. What do I mean by that? Well, this is a standard, if I can get it out. This is a standard sheet of paper, and look at this cardstock. I call it paper, but it's all cardstock. Look at that. It is much longer for your 5x7 fold-it cards. Awesome. Am I right? Am I right? It comes in white. You're going to love it. Go check it out. Now, that is one thing. The rest I have, that will always carry. The rest I have is all limited edition. Are you ready? Let's do this one first. Best Day Collection paper pads. Those of you that didn't get in on this can now get in on it. It has a lot, it's like the picnic one, and it has this fun Best Day word. Now, just a heads up, the Best Day die is also available, okay? So the Best Day, and we're gonna look at, hearts, and, gingham, and, baby ants. Look at, I love that one. Flowers, lots of fun on this one, okay? So go check out that. That's available with the dies, Best Day separately, sold separately. We also have some Green Envy embellishments, which include 2 different green ribbons, 2 twines. This one is actually a ginger snap and spearmint with white, and a 2-pack of brads that all go together. Green Envy, again, once it's gone forever, and these are at a really, really good price. Another embellishment kit that we have is called the Birthday Hat Collection, Birthday Hat Embellishments. You're getting blue ribbon, yellow ribbon, orange twine, felt balloons, which is fun, and some party hat cardstock stickers. So go check that one out. That one's called Birthday Hat Embellishments. And, I'm taking this one home with me. This one's mine. Okay, usually I give these back to Ken to go put them on the website, but nope, this one's going home with me. This one is called Pink and Gray, but there's really only one gray item in here. Most of it's pink. So we have 2 color pink brads, which you always need brads. You always need brads at the last minute. Gray ribbon, pink, that's candy colored twine, nice and thick, and cranberry twine. Yes, stock up now. Once these are gone, they're gone forever, okay? And just a heads up on the twines. So we have twine in all of these. We're no longer putting twine in our kit clubs. So if you need more twine, get these quick, okay? Now, speaking of kit clubs, the fun part about our kit club is lately it's been, I think all of 2019 were sold out. Completely sold out. In fact, I think we accidentally oversold a couple times. Whoops, we're not perfect. But I, every once in a while, will find an extra kit. So for example, this is a funny story, but for example, in our kit club, we have, like my kids are in the kit club. Now I know that sounds crazy, but what we're doing is we're making sure we're auditing ourselves technically. And so every once in a while, we have our kids in the club, we send the kits to them, and I know it costs a little bit of money for us to send the postage to them and everything, but we want to we're auditing the post office, or now it's FedEx. We're auditing, like, how did it arrive? Did it look good? What's the box look like? Things like that. So sometimes we have extras. And so what we do, because, my kids don't always need extra stuff, right? So this one is from November of 18. And the best part about this one is it's the Llama kit. If you are new to the Stamps of Life and you've been going through some of the videos and you've been seeing something and you've wanted to try the kit club, now is a perfect time because this one is an awesome kit. Of course, you're getting the handy dandy storage envelope. You're getting the cardstock, you're getting the envelopes. Now remember, this is very limited. So half of you close your eyes because I don't have enough for all of you. There's a stamp set, which we added even a die set as well on this one. That was like kind of a little surprise. We have some felt little borders. Idea card, the word incredible die set, some fun ribbon. This one has twine. This one has little puffy stickers, some fun pearls, and the fantastic paper pad. So we're going to open this up. Don't be a drama llama. Look how cute that is. Now you can die cut that llama and be halfway done. Look at that. The llama is sold separately. That was in our Die Hard Club. But look at these fun papers. So if you like this kit, get it now. Or if you need extras on everything and you're just like, I need that kit again, get it now, because once it's gone forever. Just so you know. Okay? A lot of fun things in this kit. Make sure if you like any of these items, you go get them quick. The cardstock will be, the long cardstock will be on the website for a long time. You don't have to worry about that. But these items, if you like any of them, get them quick. Okay, once they're gone forever. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.